This is Cat S53 I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free Google Play Store app called Caffeine. So let me quickly get it for you. Once the app is ready, you will need to open it, and in here make sure that the timeout parameter is set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally or purposely turn it off or close it, remove it from recents, whatever, just make sure it stays like that. So as long as you do that, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.